Eating good grub with racers and rods. Food truck review, car show edition.
Hey everybody, Jim out here again, Racers and Rods. Hey, we're doing our on-site food truck review, car show edition. We're at Holy Canoly. They're here out of Daytona. We're at Daytona East Bound Getdown. So we got a couple calzones coming. We're gonna try them out. Check it out here. We'll give you the link to them online. They're here locally out of the Daytona area. We're gonna see what we think, and stay tuned. We'll see if we get some good food. All right, here we go, food truck review. Daytona, Florida, eastbound Getdown. Holy Canoly here out of Daytona. Got a couple things here. I've got the Holy Pepperoni calzone. Pepperoni cheese, super hot. Gonna burn my mouth. Sauce in it. I also got the buffalo chicken dipper, which is buffalo chicken dip in a calzone. I already take a bite of that one. That one's pretty good. Could be a little spicier, but it's not bad. Very tasty inside. Super hot. So we're gonna try here. Like I said, this is pepperoni cheese, and mozzarella and sauce, and it's super hot. All right, so that's pretty good. It's super hot, burning my mouth. All right, so buffalo chicken dipper calzone, holy pepperoni calzone. Calzones are good. Sauce is good inside. Plenty of meat, plenty of sauce, plenty of cheese. Actually very good. We'll give you the link down below if you see them anywhere. If you want to look them up online, check them out. I'd say the only thing that I would say that's not a negative, but just a comment, is that the calzones are a little doughy, a little soft. Could be maybe a little crispier. I'm not sure how they do those. I'm not sure whether they deep fry. I think they deep fry those, but they have meatball subs. They have meatball calzones. Had a lot of good food over there. The food is actually very tasty. And very hot. Kind of reminds me, let's say if you had a really good piece of pepperoni cheese pizza and folded it over in half and took a big bite of it. It's kind of what you got going here, and it's good, very tasty. So check them out. Here we go, food truck review, Eastbound Getdown, Daytona, Florida. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next show.